Hi everyone, my name is Arthur, and in this video I will walk you step by step through how to edit the Cryptix template and make it fit your project and brand identity. Once you duplicated the template, start by renaming your project. Alright, first let's see how to change the colors. Go to the Assets tab at the top left and under Style, open the Colors folder. Here you'll find all the project colors, including the primary color which is used for key elements like buttons. Changing this color will automatically update every element that uses it. Some parts, like button shadows, can't be assigned a color directly, so you'll need to edit those manually. To do that, double-click the button, open the Properties panel on the right and adjust the shadow colors. In this video example, I'm turning Cryptix into a real estate project. I've already imported my text and assets and placed them next to the desktop page. Now, let's see how to edit text. It's super simple. Just double click on the title or text element, then type your content. You can also do it from the Properties panel on the right under Text or Content. Once updated, you might notice the layouts feel slightly off. You can fix that by adjusting the container's max width to balance the title and description visually. We just saw how to edit text directly or through the Properties panel, but some elements can't be changed that way. For example, elements outlined in blue can be edited directly on the canvas. Those with purple outline are components. Components work differently. They use predefined variables. For buttons, find the button section, then update the text variable to change the label. It's the same for the cards you see here. A component is basically a reusable structure with editable text and variables. You'll find variables like title, description, and icon. You can update them, each one independently. Once your texts are set, let's say you want to remove the tickers. Tickers are native Framer components. We modify them too, for example, to display available properties on the platform. To do that, I remove the different child items from the ticker. I've imported 4 property cards and I connect them to the ticker. To connect them, select the ticker, then drag and drop the link onto each card. If the sizing looks off, adjust it manually. Here, my card 8 is 280 pixels, so I set that inside the ticker. For better balance, I'll add 48 pixels total 8, 24 on the top and 24 on the bottom. Then I remove the padding from the parent section, keeping only the ticker's padding. I also update the left and right padding and adjust the gap. That's the space between cards to get a clean layout. Finally, I increase the ticker speed to make it scroll faster. For the next sections, it's the same process. Click the purple component and update your text. The testimonial section is a bit different. It has nested components. Double-click the testimonial component, import your text and edit them as we saw before. Make sure to modify and update the internal variant on the left to affect all children. Then edit your text just like before. You can also change images, remove icons, or add new cards if needed. The FAQ section works exactly the same way. Double-click the purple component, copy your text next to it for reference and paste them into each question and answer block. The FAQ part 2 is an instance of the primary one, meaning changes to the parent will affect all children. If you only have 6 questions like me, just delete a line to keep 6. Once your texts are done, let's move on to the images. In the right hand panel under Style, look for the Fill property to replace your images. You can do this for the dashboard and how it works section. Since those are components, look for the image variable and upload your new visuals. Alright, your site is almost ready. Next, let's update the navigation. Click the navbar, you can either double click it or click edit at the top right. You will enter the layout template where you can modify both the header and footer. To edit links, just click a button, update its text and replace the link if needed. Do the same for each section you want to customize. Don't forget to check the mobile variant, update your text and links there too. When you're done, right-click, update primary to remove overrides and sync with the parent component. Once the header is ready, repeat the same process for the footer. Update your links, text and logo. Before publishing, make sure all buttons point to the right pages. Click on each one and under the link variable, add the proper URL or choose a section of the site. Now your site is ready. Before hitting publish, test it on all devices, desktop, tablet and mobile and make sure everything looks great and works properly. In my example, I noticed a small issue, an orphan word and a button color I forgot to update, so double check everything before going live. Once your design is finalized, go to the site settings in the top right corner, update the title, description, favicon and social images. Then click publish and your site is live. By default, it'll publish under a Framer domain, but you can customize it by clicking Add Domain. You can choose a free.framer.website address or connect your own custom domain. To connect a custom one, you'll need to add a plan. You can do that from the Plans tab on the left or directly by clicking Connect Custom Domain. Pick the plan that fits your needs and you're good to go. Thanks for watching this tutorial, I hope it was helpful. This was Arthur, see you soon guys.